Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes in, well, not so sunny Sarasota, Florida today. I'm your Corvette buddy Lyle, and here to talk to you about interesting, exciting, and fun Corvette stuff. Now, we've only got a few days left before the Corvette Dream giveaway is over, so check this out. Guys, we're excited to help Dream Giveaway help some really cool charities, and they actually have a fantastic sweepstakes going on right now where you have the opportunity to win 2 Corvettes plus $48,500 to pay for the taxes. The 2 cars are a 2023 70th anniversary convertible that has the Z51 option, it's got the magnetic ride option, and it's just really, really beautiful. It is the 70th anniversary edition, but that's not all. You also get a 1965 Corvette convertible, fully restored to NCRS standards, small block 327, and those 2 cars together, they're kind of a matched set, and what a wonderful Christmas gift that would be. If you visit the link below, pinned in the comments, you can enter this. The drawing is December 31st of 2023. And as you see on the screen, if you go to the link, this is what you'll see. It's the Dream Giveaway for the 2 Corvettes. And you'll see that our promo code here is already applied. And what that promo code gives you is double the tickets, because we're leading to the end of this particular sweepstakes. And if you click on 20 tickets, you automatically get 20 extra tickets, and you can go directly to checkout, and then obviously it's a $25 donation for 50 tickets because of the bonus. Put in your name and all your information, go down here, click continue, it'll ask you for your credit card number, and then you are entered, and you will get your entries through email. I'll tell you what, guys, I sure wish I could enter and win these 2 cars, and if one of my viewers does this and does win these, I'd love to hear about it. But that's what we're at. Good luck. So guys, we've made it through Christmas. I had a great time with friends and family, and just really happy about the way 2023 has gone for us. I know it hasn't been the easiest year for any of us with all the things going on in the world and things going on financially, but I'll tell you what, we've gotten to meet so many great Corvette people, meet their cars. I was lucky enough to travel to Montana for the Big Sky Corvette event, and we've got a lot of interesting things planned for 2024. As I've told you a couple of times, we're going over and doing the NCRS show in January over in Melbourne, Florida. But I'm going to try to do a lot more trips this year. Again, we don't have the budget to do like Top Gear stuff. I really wish we did, because that'd be hilarious. But I'm going to be at the racetracks a lot more with Steve in his track car. Blake, our second mechanic, recently bought a C5 track car himself, so I'll be probably spending more time at Sebring. And of course, my son, for those of you who don't know, is an endurance racing driver. He's actually going to be racing up at the National Corvette Museum racetrack for the Champ Car National Championship in March. So that'll be a great opportunity for me not only to introduce him to you guys, but also to go around the museum and stuff with my camera and talk to a bunch of the people involved with that. A lot of exciting stuff, and we're going to got several new products that are coming out that I can't talk about right now because I don't have them in my hand yet, but problems that, parts that solve problems, and some more performance add-on goodies that I think will be a lot of fun for everybody who isn't a master mechanic but wants to get something more out of their car. So in sum, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas, belated, Happy New Year, and I'm really looking forward to where we can all go together as a Corvette group in 2024. Your support, your kind words, your kind comments, and of course your business has been just a huge blessing for us this year, and I'm looking forward to so much more in 2024. Thank you. Be responsible and be safe out there, and we'll talk to you in 2024.